Most people are searching on the web looking for writing job sites, and they are coming across those websites where you can do writing jobs and get paid, but they have so much competition, and due to the competition, when you put in an application form, either you get refused, and even if you do get accepted, you don't get hired. In this training video, I'm going to give you 3 unknown websites that will pay you to write content, and you can write this using AI. The 3 top unknown websites that pay you in US dollars whenever you complete a task doing some writing simple jobs. So let's dive into this video. The first website is called Verbilio. Verbilio is a website where you can write content for SEO team and marketing team. I have said this a lot of times in my previous videos. I'm going to say this again. Whenever you come across a brand new website, program, or a system for the first time, just make sure you click on each of these links and go through everything to get familiar with the website and the program. This will save you a lot of time in future, and this will become very easy for you for when anytime you want to find something very beneficial and useful. So this is a website, as you can read through here, that is a scale SEO ready content that drives growth. Okay, you can join the team, you can put in your application form, and when you apply to become a freelancer to do writing jobs, your application will go into review for 24 to 48 hours, and then after that you will receive an email, okay, letting you know whether your application has been approved or rejected. Make sure you check your spam junk folder as well, because most of the email will turn up into the junk and spam folder. When you come to this website, you're going to see here that it gives you a lot of information what this is all about. So you can see here, step 1 is we help content professionals and market as a publish rank worthy content. Scale is our specialty, and we work fast. Okay, so there's 2 elements when it comes to these writing websites. These are very popular websites, but very, very unknown, and because it's unknown, the competition is very, very less. So most likely, if your application does get approved, you are most likely going to be hired to write content. Okay, so there are 2 elements. One is becoming a publisher, and one is becoming an advertiser. An advertiser is someone who comes to these websites to apply to get content written for them so they can rank their websites, blogs, wherever it is in the search engine. Okay, and someone like a publisher will be someone who writes the content. Okay, so you can apply as a freelancer onto these websites as a publisher to write content for these people who are looking to get their websites, blogs, anything what they have rank onto the search engine, which is SEO friendly. So you can read all the information down here. Okay, so if you come here, you can come to stuff 100% human content, AI plus human content, managing services for agencies, enterprise, big projects, strategy, and plus content, resources is blog, case studies, careers, definers. Okay, and then you could come here, join our team of writers. Okay, so this is where you want to come. You want to click on this and you want to fill in the application form, and within 24 to 48 hours you're going to get a response. Okay, number 2 website, which is a very, very popular website but very, very unknown, and because it's unknown, a lot of people don't know about this, and the competition is very, very low. What is this? This is a website that content creators come and they create content for business and agencies. Okay, so you want to come here, you want to go through all these resources. If you come to the resources, you can see here blogs, brand writing style, competitive review, case studies, human versus AI. This is everything down here. Okay, if you just scroll down, okay, you can see here the best talent under one roof. Order anything you need. So like I said, there are 2 elements. One is an advertiser who comes here and advertises. So basically he puts an advertisement that I need content written for a certain website or a certain blog, and someone like a publisher who will come here and actually write the content for them, okay, as a freelancer. So you can see here, you could get all the information here, and this page that I have just opened on this website is for the advertisers. So anyone that needs content written for any kind of businesses or agencies, they will come here, they will get a quote, and based on that, they can go through this. So trusted by 40,000 plus brands. Okay, and you can see all of this down here. All right. So just go through these websites, so go how it all works. It'll give you all the information, solutions. If you go to the solution, urgent content solution, not delighted, don't pay period. Okay, this is all for the people who wants to actually come here and order content. But as a freelancer doing a writing job, you can apply to become a freelancer, and you can write content for business and agencies using this website, and they will pay you in US dollars. Okay. Number 3 website that is very, very popular, very high demand website, but unknown website. And because it's unknown, very, very less competition, which means if you become a publisher, most likely you're going to get hired. And that website is the Crowd Content website. The Crowd Content collaborate with over 6,000 plus writers to fuel your content marketing strategy. You could get started, scale your content creation efforts to new heights with Crowd Content. Okay, you just read through the whole website here. You could click on get started. How does it work? If you just scroll down, you can see here, create a free account in just minutes, place orders with our simple interface, qualified writers create your content, engage your audience. So this is for basically advertisers who wants to get content created for anything they have on the table. But as a publisher or as a freelancer, you could come here and apply to become a freelancer and write this content for all these people down here. Okay, so you can see here we make content and publish content at scale, improve your efficiency, increase your capacity, have peace of mind. Just read through everything, and then you could see here what they can offer you: social media content, SEO, review writing, press release, newsletters, blog posts, website content, etc., etc. All right, so they have everything on this first page where you can see what they have. Okay, 6,000 plus writers, SEO optimized content, powerful technology, and you can see the success stories that they have here. Okay, and then you could read what's the frequently asked questions. Okay, and if you want to apply, it's so simple. Just make sure you go here, go to this website here. Okay, and if you just scroll straight to the bottom down here, okay, you could click on get started, or you could contact the team of the Crowd Content website and say, hey, I want to become a freelancer for this website to write content. What is the procedure and what is the steps for me to be hired? And they will give you an application form. You just fill in those application forms, and then within 24 to 48 hours, you are going to receive a response into your inbox. Make sure to check your spam folder, junk folder as well, because most emails do pop up into your spam and junk folder. So it's that simple. These are the 3 top websites that I just shared with you that is very, very popular with thousands and thousands of publishers and advertisers, but unknown. And due to being unknown, there's very less competition, which means if your application gets approved, you are mostly going to get hired. So start working on this. Get familiar by clicking on each link, reading through, so you know what you're going into. And then once you have applied and your application has been successful, start working on this so you can start writing content for business agencies, helping them out, grow their business. So it's a win-win situation.